guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about Ubtan and why it's good for your skin, and two products which are really good for your skin which has Ubtan in it. So let's start. Ubtan is this powder which has these amazing ingredients, which has like detan, your saffron, turmeric. In Ayurveda that's called Ubtan, and we usually use it during like shadi ke time pe, haldi ke time pe. So you can see, the next day the bride's face is so nice and glowing. So Ubtan is really good for your skin. You must have heard your mom, grandmom, they keep saying ki Ubtan lagao, it's good. So I have these two products which has Ubtan in it, and there are no harmful chemicals, so it's perfect for your skin. And the first one is this face wash by Mamaearth. So it's their Ubtan face wash. It has turmeric and saffron, so this is good for tan removal. If you've like tan, because it's summers now, you're about to like tan, so it's good for your skin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use it and show it to you. So just rinse your face, and then you take a little bit of this face wash, अच्छे से apply it on your face. So it has like this walnut beads also, so it's really good for like exfoliating also. So it will get rid of all your dead skin, it will remove tan. So once you've done this, just rinse your face, and then I'll show you my next product. So I've rinsed my face, and you can see that instant glow, after washing my face with this face wash. I can see the difference, can you? So moving on to my next product. So guys, this is my next product. It's by Mamaearth again. It's their Ubtan face mask. So this has turmeric, saffron and apricot oil. I'm gonna apply it to you and show it to you. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Guys, this smells really good, and it has that thanda wala feeling once you apply it on your face. So you all know that Mamaearth products are like paraben free and silicone free, and this has turmeric and saffron. Turmeric is really good, slows down your aging process. Good, it's really good. It protects you from the sun damage and all of that, and gives you a nice glow. Saffron, so we all know, it gives you that nice glow, and it also helps in like blood circulation of your face when you apply it, and it gives you that really cool and calm feeling. So I'm done with applying my face pack, and I'm gonna just let this stay for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. And I have a little surprise. I have a special coupon code where you get like 20% discount if you use my code. My code is GAUDA2021. So you can just go to mamaearth.in and you can get your Mamaearth products, and you will get discount. And also Mamaearth, they've released their goodness calendar on Earth Day, where you get to know that they planted about 1 lakh trees. Then 1135 metric ton of plastic has been recycled, and they've distributed like 50,000 sanitizers and about 20,000 masks to like COVID heroes. And Mamaearth is an Indian brand. It's doing so well, and they're really good, guys. So you should go get Mamaearth products and get your discount also using my code. And I'll put the link down below from where all you can get Mamaearth products. And they also have the app now, so it's for both iOS and Android. And also if you get the app, you will get a chance for early access for like these discounts, so you'll get like special discount. And go get your product now, and comment in the section below to ask me any questions if you have, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? So guys, today I'm here to solve your major problem, which is acne marks. I know you guys have requested for this video, and today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this acne problem. So acne usually appears and it takes a lot of time to go off, and once it's gone, it leaves you with this crazy acne marks. So I had a lot of acne marks, but it's gone now. The best thing to apply on your acne marks is turmeric. So turmeric, what it does, it gets rid of all the bacteria, and then you apply aloe vera gel. This will calm your skin. So I'm going to show you how to make this face pack. So let's start now. So guys, the first thing you'll need is turmeric. And the second thing you'll need is aloe vera gel. So guys, I'm going to mix these two ingredients. So you'll just need about half a teaspoon of turmeric, and then you add aloe vera gel. You could use fresh aloe vera gel as well. So I'm going to just add this. Now mix it really well. So about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel is good enough. And you can also add sandalwood powder to this. That's optional. So guys, my face pack is ready. I'm just going to apply it on my face now. So you can apply it only on your acne marks, or if you wanted, you can apply it all over your face. So guys, I've applied the face pack. You will only need to leave this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Don't leave it more than that, because there's turmeric in this. Your face will become yellowish. So just wait for about 5 to 7 minutes and then you rinse it off. So guys, I washed my face now, and this is really good. You should apply this 2 to 3 times in a week. Aloe vera and turmeric is really good for your skin. And guys, if you have any more questions, any more doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And for more DIYs, for more makeup looks, and for skincare, keep watching Foxy and do subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How you guys doing? So today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of your double chin. So what is double chin? Double chin is usually the fatty tissues under your chin, and this is caused mostly due to being overweight. So how you can get rid of that? I'll give you 3 tips today. So let's start. So tip number 1, exercise or work your jaws. So what you can do is just pull your jaw forward and just pull your head behind and do this. So keep doing this for at least 10 times. So you can just do this. So this will work your chin and will get rid of your double chin. So tip number 2, it's chewing gum. This is chew like a sugar-free gum, and this will really work your jaws and will get rid of your double chin. Tip number 3, for this you will need glycerine, coconut oil. So I'm just going to take a bowl and add a few drops of glycerine, and to this I'm going to add some coconut oil as well. So mix it really well. And I'm just going to take a cotton pad like so and apply it on my neck, on my double chin. So once you've applied it, massage it really well in upward motion like this. So this will increase your blood circulation and will get rid of your double chin. So guys, these were a few tips on how you can get rid of your double chin, but then the most important thing is your diet. So please eat really healthy and take care of your diet. If you lose weight, you will definitely lose your double chin. So do all these things and let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you soon guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. this is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. It's so good to be back and बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है आज मुझे फिल्म करने because हम कर रहे हैं एक detan pack and I know I get a lot of questions that you keep asking me how to get rid of face tanning and you know because we go out so much in the sun and tan हो जाती है skin. What do we do? So today I'm back again and yes I have done a few detan pack videos earlier but then ये जो मैं आपको आज बताने वाली हूँ it's going to be a little different. So I'm going to tell you how you can you know make a detan pack at home with like really natural ingredients जो आपका kitchen में मिल जाएगा easily. So let's start. So guys, this detan pack, first thing that we'll need is multani mitti, जो बहुत important है. And अपने face के लिए it's really good for your skin and बहुत अच्छे से you know detan कर देता है skin को and also you know protects your skin. Multani mitti is a great thing that you really have to keep it at home. आप you know face पे लगाए. It's so natural and it's easily available in all the stores. आपको आसानी से मिल जाएगा and you just have to apply multani mitti. Yes, we all know that multani mitti is good, but how do we make this face pack? You know, क्या है? What is that ingredient that will get the tan out? You know, which will remove the tan from your skin. So for this, you will see, जब भी आप facial कराने जाते हो, you bleach your face, and that's how you get rid of tan. So we need a little bit of bleaching agent, which you will get at home. Guys, don't get scared. Bleaching agent बोल रही हूँ. So बहुत easily you get it in potato, which aloo. So potato has this really nice bleaching agent in it, and also tomato. टमाटर जो घर पे होता है, so उसमें भी you have this you know acid in that which will really get rid of your tan and give you that brightness. So how you make this face pack? You take one tomato, cut it into few pieces, add it into a blender and एक बार ये मिक्सी चला दो. So now you get the paste. Now this paste is your tomato paste that we'll use. Then you take one potato, a small potato, cut it into pieces, grind this also and remove the paste. So this is your potato and tomato paste. Yes, separately up रख दे. Now what we do, we take multani mitti. 1 spoon is enough for your face. That's more than enough. If you want to apply a full body, you add 2. So multani mitti 1 spoon. Add your tomato paste, then you also add your potato paste. Now 1 spoon दोनों का. Mix it really well. Okay, once you've mixed it, this is what you get. So ये है paste जो मैंने बनाया है. This is multani mitti, tomato and potato. And अभी मैं इसे लगाऊंगी अपने face पे. So let me just tie my hair, and yes I have blue hair, so let me just tie my hair and be right back. So I've tied my hair, ready to apply the face pack. ये है मेरा face pack. So make sure that you wash your hair and pat dry. Now you just apply this face pack. You can also add little bit of rose water अगर आपको एकदम thin consistency चाहिए. But this is perfect for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this. I've applied the face pack, applied evenly everywhere on your face. You can also apply it on your hands अगर आपका you know your hand and neck area everywhere anywhere you want but stand. So let this stay for about 15 minutes and then I'll be right back. Guys, I've just washed my face and can you see the difference? My skin is bright, a little bit bright, and of course, I mean, I've been doing this for a while, so I can see the results. So you have to do it at least, you know, for a month. Like every week you do this once or twice if you can. then आपको पूरा difference पक्का दिखेगा. But I really like this face pack and it's so easy. घर पे टमाटर ले ले, आलू ले ले, just blend it, take मुल्तानी मिट्टी and apply it. And you know, as I told you, tomato has really good, it removes your tan, and potato, it gives you that brightness. Okay, so it'll make you a little fairer. That's what potato does. So every time अगर आप आलू भी काट रहे हो, you'll see your hands थोड़े bright हो जाते हैं. So that's how this idea came to me, and that's how I made this face pack. Love it, I love it, and I think you guys should really try this and let me know in the comment section below. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.